Thank you.
Say night-night, Dad.
Aww. Did you give Daddy a hug?
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's a really good hug.
Where's Mom's hug? Oh, good job. You want to lay down in your bed? We just brushed your teeth. No, we just brushed them.
Teats.
You just did them. Okay, do you want to go in your bed? You think you can sleep with those? You just have to be careful of that balloon.
Yeah, but turn that off.
You can't turn the light on in here. It drives me crazy.
Well, we probably don't need the fan on right now because it's not super hot.
Yeah, but we
need...
can't turn the fan off.
Oh, that's
turn
right.
Turn that back on. Let's see if I can get it.
Because the fan has issues.
Okay, to Grandma.
Okay,
Okay, are you going to night-night?
why don't you come in here?
See, should be safe in there with all
Well,
You'll be fine.
we'll have to move them in about 15 minutes.
Can you lay down? Can you lay down with your balloons? Yeah. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. You want this balloon in there too? Okay.
Okay, go night-night.
Go ahead and go to sleep. Now lay down. Lay down with George.
Do you need help?
He's like, I need these by my head.
We're going to have to sleep these out, you know. You can't sleep with them.
No, he sleeps pretty hard though, so we'll be just fine.
Who's going to be awake to get them out?
I will.
Okay, lay down, honey.
Can you lay down? Get comfortable.
Okay, night-night.
Good night, sweetheart.
I love you. Say I love you. I love you. Can you say I love you? Aww.
Awesome. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Nikolai.
Night-night. Can you say night-night?
Night-night. Let me get one picture.